Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to see about a supercontinent. Okay, what is a supercontinent is that, take for example in today's world, okay, today's world consists of a different continents such as North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Africa. Likewise, before millions of years, these continents was not separated, it was mingled together. That is what is known as a supercontinent. Today world consists of a continent which was divided by the number of ocean. Take for example, American continents and Africa was separated by a Atlantic Ocean. Okay, America and Europe was separated by a North Atlantic Ocean. But before millions of years, all these continents, all this Asia, Europe was mingled together. Okay, so that is what is known as a supercontinent, which is nothing but a clustering of nearly all the continents. There is only a single landform, okay, which was surrounded by a vast amount of water, which is nothing but a sea. Okay, so these supercontinents was of different types, okay, which was classified based upon the time period. Okay, before 3.62, this was the approximate time period. Okay, supercontinent was a single landmass of a single landmass, which was a single continent, and the single continents was of different types in a different shapes. Okay, but there is only a single landmass which was classified based upon the time period, which is the approximate one. Okay, approximate time period. So before 3.6 to 2.8 billion years, it was named as a Valbara Harur. Okay, so next one is a Kenorland, which was a 2.7 to 2.1 billion years ago. Next one is a Proto-Pangaea or Paleo-Pangaea, which was 2.7 to 0.6 million years ago. Next one is a Colombia, which was 1.8 to 1.5 billion years ago. Okay, next one is the Rhodania. So all this was billions years ago. Okay, next one is the Rhodania, which was 1.5 to 0.75 billion years ago. Next one is the Pannosia, which was 600 million years ago. So up to this was a billion years ago, and this was a million year. This was also a million years ago. So Pannosia was 600 million years ago, and it was named as a Pangaea, which was a 300 million years ago. So this was the last supercontinent that was known in the history. So after this Pangaea, the supercontinent was divided into number of continents. So this is the concept of a supercontinent.